have hiccups. Oh, and that means I needed pickle juice. Works 100% of the time. But it's also bed pickles time. I've searched the world and the 7 seas. There are no pickles like these pickles, for bed pickles especially. It's been a while. When I was pregnant, I didn't want pickles at all. People were really confused by that. They were like, oh, you love pickles because you're pregnant. No. Silly gooses. These are my pickles, by the way. My husband doesn't drink these or eat these, so that's why I can drink out of it. Ugh, so good.